Hi, I'm Redken Artistic Ambassador Jamal Edmonds. Today I'm partnering with Redken to show you the smartest way to blonde. Featuring 9 intermixable shades, Blonde IQ High Lifts provide up to 5 levels of synchronized lift with advanced neutralization technology. With textured hair, choosing the right products to protect the curl while still achieving the desired levels of lift is crucial. When working with virgin hair, I always reach for Blonde IQ High Lifts to give ultimate dimension with natural-looking blondes. Always adjust your sectioning for density. High-density hair requires more sections for total control and saturation, while lower density needs fewer sections to maintain softness and prevent overprocessing. By diving into your client's color history, density, and texture, you can formulate with absolute intention and avoid surprises behind the chair. I recommend clients return every 3 weeks for a toner and conditioning treatment. To ensure they have the proper at-home maintenance, I recommend sulfate-free care and lightweight oils to preserve the hydration and shine. This technique delivers a graceful grow-out with 0 lines of demarcation. It's fully customizable, easy to retouch, and the perfect long-term solution for clients. I'm Jamal Edmonds, and I can't wait to see what you all create. Stay connected to learn more.